Hey lovelies, welcome back to my big fat tummy. Since morning I was planning to have mete chachuri, where mete stands for liver, which can be of lamb, goat, or it can be of chicken. I prefer chicken liver while making mete chachuri. Today I have taken 300 gram of chicken liver, chicken throat and some stomach. I have squeezed half lemon and rest this after mixing properly. Now in a heated pan I have added about 3 tablespoons of white oil or refined oil. If you prefer mustard oil, you can definitely use that. If you are a regular viewer of my videos, you know that I use salt to oil. After doing so, I am adding about half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Sometimes I feel tired. After few seconds, I am adding the chopped onion. Here I have used 2 big sized onion and which I have finely chopped. Cook until these get softened. I am shifting this to another burner to get cooked, and here placing a tawa, adding half teaspoon of oil just to brush the tawa. After doing so, I am placing all the chicken liver, stomach to fry for few seconds. And now it is better, like you used to say. I find these old letters with a heart round my name. I see it so clearly that you sprinkle some salt on it, then toss for just 3 to 4 seconds. Moving to the main section, you can see that the onion is almost cooked and this already gets softened. Adding 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. After tossing, adding 1.5 tablespoons of ginger paste. Close my eyes. Cook this under low to medium flame. Tempering this for about 2 to 3 minutes. After doing so, I am adding some potatoes which I have roughly chopped into small shape. Sometimes I feel tired of my heavy thoughts. Let's cook this under medium flame by covering with a lid. I have cooked this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Adding half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. Tempering this for another 2 to 3 minutes. adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. I'm again adding half teaspoon of garam masala. Now going to cover this with a lid to cook for 3 minutes. Wow! You can see that oil has started extracting from the masala. Time to add the fried chicken liver, throat and stomach. Mix everything with the masala. Now I'm adding about 2 cups of water. Use lukewarm water. Adding sliced green chilies. Some of these are from my garden. Now I'm adding about half teaspoon of chicken masala. Then adding half teaspoon of ghee. This is optional. Now let's cook this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your preparation will look like this somehow. I felt that this needs to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, adding some salt as per my taste. Then after a good mix, I'm going to cover this with a lid. Now taking out some of the potatoes. If you have watched my previous video of chana masala, then you might know this procedure. This preparation is done. Turning off the flame. Now it's time to serve hot to have with some parathas or plain rotis. Lovelies, please do let me know if this video is helpful to you or not. Please like, comment and share to your loved ones who are desiring to cook such delicious recipe. And yes, if you are a new friend of this channel, kindly subscribe to my Big Fat Tummy to get such amazing and easy recipes. So ending here, take care and stay healthy.